Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how you can easily disable voicemail on your iPhone. Subscribe to our channel, put your likes, be sure to write comments. And let's get started. So, first of all, we will need to go into the settings of the phone. Then, in the settings, we scroll down to the bottom and find the phone section. We go into it. Then here we also scroll down and find live voicemail. Click on it. If you have it active, which I do at the moment, you just deactivate it by clicking on the green button. After that, you'll need to go into the phone app. Go to the keypad and enter a combination like this. Lattice 004, lattice, and press the green button to call. And then you'll get a window like this, and then you press dismiss. After which you disable voicemail on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful for you. You have seen how you can disable voicemail on iPhone. Subscribe to our channel, write your comments, be sure to put likes, and see you next time, friends.